Understanding your customers is the key to better conversations and stronger sales. But keeping track of every customer's needs, preferences, and concerns can be tough. That's where AI can help. AI can act as your customer whisperer by analyzing past conversations and customer details to suggest talking points, common pain points, and preferences, all in seconds. Think of a customer you know well. Then imagine that customer is coming in to look at a new car. List all of the things you know about this customer, including what they're currently driving, their communication style, preferences, hot buttons, hobbies, family situation, job, and anything else you can think of about them, no matter how incidental. Type all of this information into the chat and say, "I am Alexa's salesperson." Based on this, summarize what we know about this customer, including their main concerns, interests, and decision-making factors. Then provide an action plan to enhance my chances of selling them a new car when we meet. In an instant, AI will provide insights like talking points based on their previous questions, common objections they might have, so you can prepare responses, preferences, like if they prioritize fuel efficiency, tech features, or luxury upgrades, and strategies for engaging and selling this client.
Use AI, sell more cars, drive the future, reach the stars, with a friend so smart, close at hand, selling dreams across the land.